Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you the how to self-activating a required monthly test on EAS tools and Balabuka TTS system. Now before I just get started, I'm gonna show you guys is this. I have a wireless FM transmitter, a like I say, what I got on Amazon for wireless FM transmitter is $21 and $22. I should say about that. So, but before or after that, sorry, after showing the wireless FM transmitter, and I show this my laptop over here. The one is EAS tools on the left side, and the Balabuka is on the right side. So how cool is that about datables? So now let's say I gotta click this button over here right now for, let's say it has to be the green button and this one, I think. So well, but before I just get started, and shit is really bugging about me. Anyway, so I gotta hit, oh crap. Anyway, there we go. And I gotta play this green button, and hold on. Let me turn on my weather radios. My weather radios on first. Sorry, I gotta turn on my weather radios first. Weather radios first, and then it should be all set for you guys. So I can't look at my laptop right now. Sorry guys, and oh, my phone's buzzing, so it's kept cut. Sorry about that. And alright, so I gotta play recycle in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Now.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WXK86, serving Porter Township, Valparaiso, Rensselaer, and Hebron. The current time is 5:25 p.m. Central Standard.
Here we go again.
This is a required monthly test of the Northwestern Indiana Emergency Alert System. Any event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test will now conclude. Time. Now here's the hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois,
hey,
and northwest Indiana.
WR100 didn't activate for some reason.
Weather hazards expected. No hazardous weather
I
is
cannot
expected at this time.
Anyway.
And now for the extended outlook for the period from Sunday through Friday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement.
Well, I gotta try the required monthly test again, so just make sure.
Now here's the forecast for Valparaiso.
Anyway, let's play this to EAS again in 3,
for the Python
2,
weather radio information
1.
Coming up on voice text English TTS system.
Hold on just a second. Go.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
Right now.
WXK86, serving Porter Township, Valparaiso, Rensselaer, and Hebron.
And let's get away.
The current time is 5:28 p.m. Central.
Here we go. Again. Oh man, WR120 didn't activate again.
Northwestern Indiana Emergency Alert System. Any event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test will now conclude. Standard time. Now here's the hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois,
this
and northwest Indiana.
WR100 didn't activate for some reason.
I
just got rest of my weather radios activating right now.
And now for
and WR100 is not. It's too staticky for sure, but
Spotter information
yeah.
statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station WXK86 or WXK86, the voice of the National Weather Service, operating 24 hours, 7 days.
Alright, well there you have it for a sub-activate a required monthly test with my FM wireless FM transmitter over here. So thank you so much for watching and peace out, my friends. Or guys, I should say. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye now.